So guys, for the first step, you want to head over to search and type in device manager. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to expand audio inputs and outputs. And then you want to find your speakers. You want to right click on it, and then click on update driver, and then click on search automatically for drivers. Make sure they have the best drivers for the device installed. Then you want to go back and click on browse my computer for drivers, and then click on every pick from a list. If you see any drivers here that you think may be suitable for your speakers, you want to click on it, and then click on next, and then you want to install that. Also, your speakers may come with a software like my one does, so if it does, you want to click on it, and then click on settings. Make sure that you have your firmware up to date through the software itself. And now for the second step, you want to head over to search and type in edit power plan. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to click on power options. You want to select high performance. If you do not see a performance, you want to click on show additional plans, and then select high performance. And then you just want to restart your computer, and then the problem should be fixed.